how to fix TikTok device ban and login blocked. So if you want to fix your TikTok device ban and login blocked, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application and try logging into your user account, or try logging in with a different account on the same device, or try logging in with your account on a different device. If only your device can't log in, then the device ban has been confirmed. Next, you need to clear cache and app data. For that, you need to completely delete your TikTok from your device. So press and hold your TikTok app icon, and then you'll find the app info section. Or you also have a delete option. You need to just simply go and delete or uninstall the application. Once you deleted your TikTok, you need to open up your App Store or your Play Store, and then you need to reinstall the application. Go with search and then search for TikTok again on your Play Store or your App Store, and then install it again. Next thing you want to do is reset device ID. TikTok has banned your device ID as well, not just your account. So you'll need to factory reset your phone. For that, you'll need to navigate to the option settings, or just simply go with your settings on your device. And from your settings, you need to search for reset, and you'll have reset Wi-Fi, mobile network, and Bluetooth, and just simply go with reset settings, which will be on the bottom, and you need to reset your settings. Once you reset your settings, your problem may be fixed. Or the next thing you can do is contact TikTok support. For that, you need to close this and then launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website, which is TikTok support. Once you're here, you need to click on the three bars, which will be in the top right, and then you will get this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply go and select a topic, or just simply scroll down and go with report a problem section. And under report a problem, you need to select the topic, which is you need to go and select device ban if you have a device ban topic, and then enter your username. And after entering your username, go with the additional information like your contact email, your additional details, and then you can upload some attachments if you have like screenshots or something like that. And then you need to just click on these two buttons and confirm that you accept the terms and conditions, and then go with submit, which will be on the bottom. Make sure that under additional details, you need to write that my TikTok or my device has been banned and I've been blocked to log into my TikTok on my device. So please help me with that. And after writing all of that, you need to go with submit, and within a few days or within a few hours, your problem will be fixed. You'll get help from TikTok. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.